Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Segregate and Classify Different Objects, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. This project will help you segregate objects. Let's say you want to segregate vegetables like lemon, onion, tomatoes, etc. You can also identify objects with this project like pen, pencil, etc. Now the question is how it is done. This is a very simple project developed with the help of very few components. Edge Impulse, an Edge AI platform, is used with the ESP32 camera to segregate and identify the objects. The project is created on Edge Impulse platform and is deployed on ESP32 camera module. Since this is an AI-enabled embedded project, first you need to collect data and build a data set. The components used to develop this project are ESP32 camera to click the image of the object to be identified, a solenoid valve or a relay if you are creating, let's say, a fruit collecting basket. Here we have not used it in demonstration. An I2C OLED display over which the results are displayed. Apart from this, a voltage regulator IC, some resistors and diodes are used. Let us see the demonstration of this project. We have already created data set for two objects, a pen and a pencil, by taking their images from various angles and uploaded it to Edge Impulse platform. Now we bring a pencil in front of the camera and our project has identified it. Pencil is displayed on the OLED display. We remove the pencil and there is no object in front of the camera. Hence no object is displayed on the screen. Now we bought a pen in front of the camera and pen is displayed on the OLED display. Interested in developing your own segregation and classification of objects device? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.